Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. Again, as always, a very warm and heartfelt welcome from me. If you remember well, in the previous session we saved the users and the admins IP, and based on the IP we received the city and country. As we said, for the city and country section we need to be online to see the results. Now we are going to work more with the IP. We want to make a black or block list from the IPs so that we will be able to, or the admin will be able to add any IP that he wants to this list, and that IP or IPs will not be able to enter the site whenever they try to. When the user logs in, it will check and see if it was on that list, and then if it was, he will not be allowed to enter the site. Alright, to do so, I need to make an app, a new app that contains the blocked IPs. I say python manage.py start app. Okay, blacklist app. The blacklist app has been made now. The first thing I need to do on my project, I need to enter their names, my project, in the setting and URL. Okay, blacklist, our blacklist. Let's see, here it would be blacklist. Okay, that's it. And now I take care of the model. And the first thing I need to do here, we say black list. We only need one field, and that would do. That field is IP field. Okay, and after that I register it on the admin. Okay, and after, let's see, just be over with registration. Okay, that's it. We need to make his view as well, so let's make a copy and make the view. Okay, that's for the view. Right now we don't have a function, and then we need to make the URLs for it. And now right now the URLs would be empty. Okay, the settings for the app up to here have ended. We can say python manage.py, make migrations, python, and then python manage.py migrate. Okay, and run server. Now we have a new app called blacklist that we can add on the admin section, so that the admin will see the IPs that are on the list, and he can add the users that he wants to the black list so that they won't be allowed to enter the site. And we check and see that the user is not on the blacklist.